Come back from top again. But this is Egyptian in dance in the real champion sound. And we all know this sound is this live. Come again. What is Egyptian in dance in the real champion sound? And this sound is a live sound. And it's a real nice father D. Cheyenne. Marcus of Flatbush. Queens. Whatever. Like that for the ladies then. I just want you to know. I just want you to know. Oh gosh. Hey, I just want you. Hey. Live song is the sound of all song. Kiki. No. Oh, live song. And the really champion sound. In a foreign any country where you see them close. No son boy can break where we style. No way. Just the other day, so leave son, kill some pump and so easy. The match to select a name, and everybody short rain and some father D. Well, immediately the girls request leave song into their party. Father D say, with me baby, you don't need to worry. She said, don't want you to tell nobody, then I give it to you so easy. Ray say, with me ladies, you don't need to worry. She said, ooh, leave some place so nice. And I said, yeah, my baby, bring it on right tonight. She said, ooh, leave some place so nice. When I start to play for lady, play music all the time. Some of people dream to leave so now from reality. Heard of their subconsciousness and their mortality. I'm the happiest man in the world because I am before my girl. And I promise you, my baby, I'm gonna take you on tours around the world. When lips on the play, she said, ooh, leave some place so nice. When I start to play for the lady.